Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is going to be on Zcash.
Welcome back to Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about Zcash. It's not financial advice. Always do your own research, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video.
So before we get into this video, I just want to give you a brief rundown on what Zcash actually is and what it does. Zcash is a cryptocurrency aimed at using cryptography to provide enhanced privacy for its users compared to other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. And Zcash is based on Bitcoin's code base. It shares many similarities, such as a fixed total supply of 21 million, as you can see here, just like Bitcoin. But apart from, the differences are less fees and also a better way to pay. In addition to using Zcash to pay friends, family, and service providers, you can use Zcash at your favorite stores or online merchants. And this was way ahead of its time. This was before most cryptocurrencies. It's been around for a very long time, and it is a very, very good project. And if we look here, we can see it's a $1.7 billion market cap. It's been doing very well in the last 7 days. And if we see what its all-time high was over 5 years ago at 3.2k, and obviously this can't be right. This just can't be right. This must have been when the coin was first created or something like that. Definitely cannot be taking this into account at all. So if we just look at 1 year ago, we can see we're at 136 and we're barely up from there. So it's been stable over the last year from where it was a year ago and where it is now. But as we can see where it did go to, it went to 317 and it went 300 again up here. So 300 is a good point to be hoping for. So a 2x from here more or less. So yeah, that's all I really want to say about that. Let's get into the technical analysis.
All right, if we start from the weekly time frame, as you can see here, this is kind of a pattern that we are seeing occur from many, if not all, currency pairs. And at this moment in time, we are seeing bullish prices take place, and it is looking quite good. And we are hoping it can actually sustainably continue to move higher. And if it does that, that would be pretty nice to, see the price move higher and start to see it potentially end up actually returning to the higher marks of $200, then maybe $300. So we just need to wait and see where the cryptocurrency may want to go to next. We can see there is a little bit of resistance at around $185 that was previously passed from before. Price came down, wicked up here, and broke above there, and then wicked up here again. So that could be a nice area of where we would like to see price resist. And yeah, I would like to see how price gets up to there and how much resistance that may take place. And it's close to $200 mark. Therefore, I'm going to move this to $200 since it is more of a psychological number. And I'd love to see how price does move once we do get up to there. And if you go to the daily time frame, as you can see right here, this is looking quite bullish. If we can close above the previous day's high, that would be pretty nice to see, a nice sustainably bullish move. I don't want to see us just, meandering around this area here. And if we can continue to move higher, that would be a bullish incentive for me. And I would be looking for longs within Zcash. And keep in mind, guys, you don't have to just keep on buying and holding. You can just buy and sell, which is something that you guys, many people are not, wanting to be doing it, just buy and hold. But if you buy and sell, that's probably like a better way of making money. But yeah, at this moment in time, it is looking questionably difficult to say because there is 6 hours left and the daily is moving higher. So therefore, we do expect a bullish continuation. And as you can see here, we are finding it difficult to actually continue to move higher. I am hoping for whether we can actually stay moving higher. I don't want to see a consolidation. If we do see a consolidation, that will lead us to a bull flag and potentially start to move higher up in the high $200 hopefully. As you can see here, we are forming a nice bull flag, which in my opinion could result us in a move higher or potentially a move higher than a rejection lower. So that could be a manipulation move that could take place. And yeah,
so that is it for this video. If you feel like you've taken any value from watching this video, then we really would appreciate a like and a subscribe. And yeah, thank you very much. Have a lovely rest of your day.